guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of sewing. I don't know how much sewing I'm actually going to do. We got to do some cutting out first. But I'm working on a backpack as a Christmas present. My sister wants to give it to one of her friends, so I'm working on that for her. She wanted a Harry Potter themed, so this is kind of what I'm going for. I was debating if I want to use this one because it's kind of cute. But I'm thinking I might go with this one for the backpack. I kind of like it better with these because I think I'm going to go with this like black glitter as the outside of the backpack. And maybe this is the lining, and I think this might look nice. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. These might be able to be used as accents or something. We'll see, but I think I'm going to go with these because I think that's cute together. So yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be making this Diedelbug Minni Backpack by, I think it's by Diedelbug Patterns. I'll have the pattern link down below if you guys are interested. But it's a cute little just mini backpack. So I'm going to go ahead and make that. Okay, you guys, so to make this, I'm not really following the pattern. I'm using, I made one of these previously and I used Lauren Romino's method to make this backpack because I just kind of like the way hers look better. She did some modifications so it just looks a little bit different. Yeah, because like the way this backpack is supposed to look, it has kind of like a little front pocket that puffs out a little bit, which I mean it can be nice, but I kind of just like the way it looks flat, the way she kind of modified it. So I'm going to be following that method. So there's just a little different things going on. If you want to actually see like how to do it her way, I'll have her video linked down below too, so you can watch that. Because this is not going to really be a tutorial. This is just kind of me vlogging while I do some sewing. But I got all my hardware in here. I just need two rectangle rings, two of these backpack sliders, and then I got two silver O-rings. And then for one of the zipper pulls, for like the front zipper pull to make a cute little accent, I'm going to be using one of these cute little flying keys by moremino.com. And this is like a rainbow one, and I think that'll just be a cute little thing to hang in the front, and it's Harry Potter, so it's perfect. These zipper pulls are so cute. I think she still has some available on her website if you guys want to grab some of those. But that is about all for hardware that I'm going to need for this. And then I do need some black webbing. This will make the bottom half of the backpack straps. So I got just some black webbing that I'm going to cut up. I don't need all of this, obviously. I think it said you only need 1.5 yards, but I just have that because I don't know the measurements yet. And then you need a 16-inch zipper. This is 20 inches. It's a little bigger, but it's fine. This is just like a really thick handbag zipper I have. And I figured the white would look nice against like the white and black kind of theme I got going on. This is a thicker zipper that I bought on Etsy from a zipper shop. I'll have that linked down below too. But yeah, these are thicker and they're a lot easier to sew with, especially for handbags, because you just have the extra like nylon on the sides there. So I like these a lot better than just like thin zippers. So yeah, I got that. And then I have this is a 9-inch zipper. You only need a 6-inch zipper, but this is going to be for the inner zipper pocket of the backpack, so I just chose like a nice gray to go with the gray interior. And then I have some just zipper tape. I'm going to attach my little pull to this, and this will be kind of like the little front zipper for the front pocket of the backpack. Obviously you don't need this much, but I just have it because I haven't cut it yet. I think you only need, with zipper tape you only need 9 inches, so there's that. But yeah, that's all the little hardware things I needed. And then I'm just going to set that aside. But yeah, I'm going with this fabric for kind of the front main panel. And then this will be most of the exterior. And then this will be for my interior pockets and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get cutting. Okay, you guys, so I just made a checklist of everything I need to cut for this because this backpack tends to have a lot of pieces. So I wanted to organize it by fabric type because that's just kind of how I work better. This has everything like listed by piece, like it says like, oh, you need to cut out the main panel, cut out an exterior and interfacing and a foam or whatever. But like, I just like to work one fabric at a time, so I rewrote everything that I needed to cut out. Also, since I'm changing the patterns and pieces are a little different, so I just wrote out everything I need to cut out and I organized it by like my exterior color 1, my exterior color 2, my lining. That way I can just cut out one fabric at a time instead of like shifting everything. But there's 2 full pages of things to cut out, so this is going to take a while. But yeah, let's just, I guess, get started on this. So I just kind of wrote on a note card what this piece that I just cut out for. That way I can kind of keep track since there's so many pieces. And I'm just going to clip it on there. That way I know this is my main panel front piece. And then I can just set this in my bin and keep going. So I just finished cutting out the all of the exterior pieces, so that's awesome. Now I just have to cut out the lining and the interfacing, and I actually had enough of this black sparkly fabric, which is great. I still have quite a bit of it left, probably about like half a yard left. Yeah, I have like half a yard left of this, so that's cool. But I'm glad that I was able to get all those pieces cut out of this because I really wanted to use this because I thought it would look nice. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and move on to cutting out the lining pieces. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this gray. I kind of want to use this as like a little peak pocket in the back because you can see a little bit of the back slip pocket. So I might use this for the back slip pocket because I think it'd be cool to have little Deathly Hollow symbols peeping through. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, I screwed up my foot, but I found pink ace wrap, so hey, injured but cute. Alright you guys, I have finished cutting out all of my exterior and lining pieces. Everything I need for this backpack is cut out and ready to go. I just have to cut out the interfacings and the foam and then fuse those together, but all of the fabric pieces are cut out, and it only took it about an hour and 20 minutes. I started at 3 and it's now 4:18, so that's awesome. But yeah, you guys, all my pieces are cut out. But yeah, all my pieces are cut out, so this bag is almost ready to go. I just have to do the interfacing, but I'm going to go ahead and save that for tomorrow's Vlogmas video, so keep a lookout for that if you guys want to watch me interface some fabric. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again tomorrow for another Vlogmas video, but I'm going to wrap this up here. Bye guys!